What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Dirt Nation Off-Road. So today we are back out in Azusa Canyon for what was supposed to be highlights, but things changed. Now, last week we came out to Azusa Canyon. We were talking about how we were going to have some heavy rain during the week, and we're expecting the park to change significantly, and we're going to come out, check it out, have some fun, do everything like that. Well, we got that rain, and the park did change significantly, but what happened was the park actually had to get closed down because there were so many mudslides and so much water that filled up and kind of messed up all the park and everything that's going on in there. So today we're actually out here on a volunteer mission to get some things cleaned up. We gotta remark all the water crossings. We gotta check for other safety hazards and do some other things like that. But luckily, the volunteers were able to loop in Dirt Nation with what we're doing. So we got some Patreon subscribers out here with us, and we're gonna be doing some volunteer work with a little bit of play at the end, but doing the Azusa Canyon things. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I got some of the regular squad here. You guys can see. We're waiting on Wacky Bryce. Bryce is late. Hurry up, Bryce. Everyone comment below. Bryce, hurry the fuck up. Anyways, I'm not gonna do any more intros, anything like that. Let's get to some mudding, cleaning up some stuff. Let's get to it. Look at that. Muddy. Not the mud. Why did I bring this today? Why did I bring this today? Hell yeah! What? No, I didn't. Let's see what's going on over here. This is nuts. Everything's gone. Oh, there's a hole there. Yeah. So we're headed over to the second water crossing, kind of diagnose the damage over there. You guys can see the park is all wet. Things have shifted around a little bit. The trees and everything have really shifted around. It's kind of the biggest piece, but looks like the T-posts and all the parts that are ticked off is still up over there. Luckily they didn't wash away, but it's all good. Damn. Passenger, go passenger, go passenger. Driver, Pat, wiggle it right there. Driver, go driver. Straighten out. Come on, Bryce. Back up. Keep backing up. Now go up, driver. You're gonna go a little higher, but you're skipping a hole. Right there. Yeah! Attaboy! Woo-hoo! You like that line?
That was fucking dope.
Fuck yeah, dude. Good shit.
This big
That's the line I always want to do, but nobody spots me when I do it in the Tacoma. So much scarier with fucking 2 doors.
Soft ass fool. You're on the line. It's just all about tires now. You're gonna have to give it some love, some frijoles. There it is. Oh, damn it! Tires, yeah.
Yeah, I need a tire bad.
Bad. Hey!
What was that?
There it is. I have no idea.
That was ringing pinion.
That sounded like it.
That was ringing pinion.
Yeah. Go ahead. Ah! Immediately locked up.
That was ringing pinion.
That's ringing pinion.
What does that mean?
Dustin's front wheel drive all day. Oh!
It was already broken. My SAS truck. I just outgrew my SAS truck. I just outgrew it. Fuck. All right, let's explain what happened. We're here doing volunteer work, and I got distracted by the island, and we broke the ring and pinion on Winters, so that's fine. We are not done playing for today. We got some work to do, and then we're still gonna head to the obstacle course, have some fun, and then I'll figure out how to get it home later. I live close, so I ain't tripping. So check it out. Look at this big old drop off. So everything right here used to be flat all the way to the bridge over there, which means that giant chunk right there has been knocked out. Pretty crazy. Water does some damage. It only rained one day. I don't get it. Nuts. That's some solid rain. All right, let's get the drone in the sky, do some drone shots. Let's get it. You just changed the line forever.
Oh, I just hope nobody gets hurt.
We need a smaller truck. This is all the play area. It's all rocks now. Like all the sand is gone. Everything's been washed away. Remember we were looking at Little Johnson Valley last weekend? Look at that.
Hey, this is fucking nuts.
Isn't this crazy?
Dude, I've been back there. Hey, you want to watch the worst Jeep Club ever?
Seriously. Hey, you're stuck. You need to get winched. Yeah, because you're axle deep already. Or you're frame deep. Oh my God. Bob, it ate your whole 37. Yeah. So what I want to know, is that a really tiny truck or a big dog?
Oh. 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 All right, let it bite and pull it out. I know, it's just blue. I want to taste it.
So I know I told you guys last week, hey, tune in next week, it's gonna be crazy. Well, next week is Christmas. Azusa Canyon is actually open the day after Christmas, so you guys can pick up some tickets there. I'm looking forward to next weekend because it's gonna be crazy. We have a Christmas run on Christmas Day, and we'll probably be coming out after Christmas to Azusa Canyon to check out kind of how the park settles, because we're gonna have a little bit more rain. I'm pretty sure some of the big boys are gonna wanna come out and play, as always, and we'll have to come out. Although we're gonna be bringing the Tacoma, because Winters is, she's gonna need a little bit of a break. I gotta figure out some things with the rear axle, but we'll be fine. So we're pretty much wrapped up here in Azusa Canyon. Got our volunteer work done. We did a little bit of playing. We showed you guys the park and everything like that. So let's just wrap up this video, kind of showing you guys some of the rocks, some of the scenes. But take care, guys. Subscribe, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, hoodies, goodies, all that good stuff. Thanks, guys. Let's get it. All right, before we get out of here, I just want to cover a couple things related to the park. A lot of people have been asking about the reservation system. Yes, you still need to make reservations to get into Azusa Canyon. It's a lot easier than what people have made it out to be. You go to recreation.gov, or you can download the app and then search for San Gabriel Canyon OHV area. You can purchase your tickets there. It's $10 per ticket, and then you can pick your time slot, 8 a.m., 11 a.m., and I think 2 p.m. Super duper easy to use. There's plenty of tickets for everybody. You can come out on Saturday, come out on Sunday, and then you'll be good to go. Also want to cover the holiday schedule. So as of right now, the day after Christmas is scheduled to be open. Now it does depend on the rain this week, so there could be some closures or anything like that, but just keep that in mind. There are tickets available right now. We went and purchased some for the 26th, so we'll be there the day after Christmas, which is a Sunday, and then the next weekend after that, there is plans for the park to be open on New Year's Day, which is Saturday, and the day after, which is the 2nd, which is Sunday. So keep that in mind. Hopefully we see you guys out there soon. I want to give a big thank you to the volunteers for making this happen, as well as our Patreon subscribers who we hit up literally the same day. We were just like, hey, we need some people to come up and help clean up Azusa Canyon, and our Patreon people stepped up to the plate and helped us get this taken care of, because this is the type of stuff that keeps this OHV area open. So big thank you to everybody that made this happen. As always, when you come to the park, follow the rules, clean up your trash. Let's take care of this place because we all love it here. And if you don't, then don't show up. That's fine with me. I'm all done here. Thank you guys. We'll see you again next time.